No, I want you to mirror what I do. Okay, keep her away from me. Keep her away from me.
I'm trying. Don't go too fast. I'll never keep my balance if you go too fast. Just a walk. Fine, thank you.
Keep her away from me. Keep her away from me. Keep her away.
Oh, that's like brilliant.
You're too close. Go away. Go away. Go away. You're too close. You frightened the life out of me then. I got nearly threw up. Right, stay. Right, that's as close as you need to get.
Right.
Just follow me.
Hold on. I'm just shorting my reins. Oh, she.
So you need to drop your hand as well, don't you, onto the once she's locked.
She knows what we're doing now. Okay, do it from there then. Follow me this way, right? Don't let her come at me. She's got to stay that
Don't go
distance.
too fast.
Like, make her follow me.
Alright, stop now.
Yeah, but you need to neck rein to make her follow me. Get her eyes on me. Keep up with me. Use your legs. Keep her up. Keep her up.
Right, thanks.
Keep her up. Keep her up. You want to be right next to me. Not at, don't come at me. Right next to me. Keep her up.
He's bound to get end into his...
Keep running down the field.
Thanks, Alice.
Away from me. Keep her away.